Welcome back to the Vinyasa A series. Today we are going to be looking at Samasthitih, standing mountain pose. It's the first and last pose of the sequence, and it begins on an emptiness of breath. Standing with the feet together at the top of the mat, lift all 10 toes, feel the balls of the feet root down onto the mat, and then release all 10 toes one by one. If this is a new sensation for you, you can continue to press the toes down to feel more grounding, but don't tense the feet too much. This is simply to get you to feel connected to the floor before you start. I encourage you to keep the knees 98% straight, leaving a 2% bend in the knees. To get here, bob the knees forward a few times, feeling the quads wake up. Lock the knees completely, then releasing the lock only. This should get your knees and quads primed for the sequence. Let's review quick. Lift all 10 toes and drop them one by one, feeling into the balls of the feet. Bob the knees forward a few times, locking the knees completely, then releasing the lock only. Quads and glute muscles engaged. Moving on to the hips, the position of the pelvis can be widely overlooked during practice. Let's perform some wrong right adjustments to get the core activated. Bring your hands to the waist and arch the lower back forward, anterior rotation. Now do the exact opposite. This is posterior rotation, which is where we want to be. Forward and back, engaging into the glutes. Anterior, posterior. Then lift the rib cage upwards to lengthen out the spine, feeling those lower and deep core muscles engage. Keep breathing into the upper chest. Don't hold the breath just because the stomach muscles are tight. Here's another angle of anterior-posterior rotation. Posterior, drawing the belly to the spine. Anterior, allowing the belly to protrude forward and back. Forward and back. Keeping that engagement in the lower abdomen and breathing into the upper chest. Shoulders. Don't let them sag forward. Roll the shoulders up, back, and down, chest lifted. Sagging the shoulders puts tension on the back of the neck, restricts breathing into the upper chest, and all in all, makes the body feel heavy. So roll the shoulders up, back, and down. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and bell notify this channel for more content every week. The next video in this series will explore Urdhva Hastasana into Uttanasana, upward hands to standing forward fold. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you learned something new. Namaste.